The future of computing is about to shift in a way that most people aren't ready for. And if you have been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade your setup, that moment has arrived. Today, we are diving deep into the next evolution of portable performance, the MacBook Neo 2. Apple has been quietly restructuring its hardware roadmap. And while the current lineup is impressive, the rumors surrounding this specific machine point toward a total departure from what we know as a laptop. We aren't just talking about a faster processor or more memory. We are talking about a fundamental redesign of the silicon architecture and display technology that will render current high-end workstations obsolete. Many of you have been asking whether it's time to wait or time to buy. And by the end of this deep dive, you will understand exactly why the MacBook Neo 2 represents the biggest leap in Apple's history. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Let's start with the most critical aspect, the silicon. The MacBook Neo 2 is rumored to house the next-generation M-series architecture, specifically designed to leverage advanced neural engines that handle real-time AI processing locally, without needing a cloud connection. We're talking about workflows that used to take minutes, now happening in milliseconds. For those of you who edit 8K footage, render complex 3D scenes, or manage massive datasets, this machine is not just an iteration. It is a solution to the bottlenecks we've all been fighting for years. The thermal efficiency, combined with this new chip, means you won't just be getting peak performance, but sustained performance over hours of heavy load, which is something even the current top-tier models struggle to maintain. Beyond the internal power, the form factor of the MacBook Neo 2 is where the design language truly shifts. There is significant evidence suggesting a move toward a modular-inspired chassis, not in the sense that you can swap out parts, but in how the I/O and internal cooling are integrated. Imagine a device that feels as thin as a MacBook Air, but carries the weight and capability of a desktop Pro station. The display is expected to incorporate a new iteration of tandem OLED technology, offering brightness levels that remain readable even in direct sunlight, all while being more power efficient. This is a crucial pivot for professionals who are constantly on the move, from coffee shops to editing suites, because it means the screen is no longer a drain on your battery life. The integration of the MacBook Neo 2 into your life changes how you approach work. We are seeing a shift toward a context-aware operating system integration. When you open the lid, the machine prepares your environment based on your historical usage patterns. It knows you start your morning with specific rendering software or coding environments, and it preloads those assets into the high-speed unified memory before you even touch the trackpad. It is all about reclaiming those small seconds that turn into lost hours over a work week. Security is another pillar of this release. The MacBook Neo 2 introduces a dedicated hardware security module that handles encryption at a deeper level than we have ever seen in a consumer device. Whether you are handling sensitive financial documents or proprietary creative assets, the hardware-level protection ensures that your work stays yours. It is a level of peace of mind that is increasingly rare in our connected world, and for those working in the high-stakes sectors of finance or tech, this feature alone justifies the transition. We also have to discuss the input experience. There is a persistent rumor about a haptic responsive keyboard surface that adjusts its physical resistance based on the application you are using. If you're typing a long-form article, you get the tactile feedback of a mechanical switch. If you're editing a video timeline, the surface can transition to a smooth, pressure-sensitive interface that acts as a slider or a jog wheel. It is the kind of innovation that sounds futuristic until you realize it's being built to maximize efficiency for the modern creator. As we look closer at the competitive landscape, the MacBook Neo 2 isn't just competing with other laptops. It's positioning itself to replace the need for a secondary desktop entirely. The unified memory architecture is expected to jump to a new tier, potentially allowing for memory configurations that were previously only available in enterprise-grade servers. For the professional content creator or the developer, this means you're carrying a data center in your backpack. Think about the longevity of this purchase. Apple is clearly moving toward a 5 to 7 year support lifecycle for their custom silicon devices, and the MacBook Neo 2 is built to be the flagship of that era. By investing now, you are effectively future-proofing your workflow against the rapidly advancing requirements of modern software. The neural engine capabilities alone will likely become the standard for all professional software in the next 3 years, meaning this machine won't just keep up, it will define the standards of the industry. The sustainability aspect cannot be ignored either. The construction of the MacBook Neo 2 leans heavily into recycled aerospace-grade materials, and the energy consumption per unit of computational output is significantly lower than its predecessors. This is a machine built for a modern professional who cares as much about their environmental footprint as they do about their rendering speeds. Transitioning to this new hardware also opens up doors to professional features that we have been requesting for a decade. The new port configuration is rumored to allow for higher bandwidth peripheral connections, enabling external displays and massive storage arrays to operate with zero latency. It's the dream setup for anyone who finds themselves tethered to a desk for most of their productive hours. Throughout this process, it becomes clear that the MacBook Neo 2 is a response to the efficiency crisis many creators are facing. We have more tools than ever, but we have more distractions and more bottlenecking than ever. This device is designed to cut through that noise. It is designed to be the bridge between your imagination and the final output. It is not just about specs on a page. It is about the fluidity of your daily operation. Every aspect of the MacBook Neo 2, from the internal storage speeds that allow for instantaneous file transfers to the adaptive cooling system that keeps the chassis cool to the touch, has been optimized for high-intensity work. The goal is to remove the friction. When you're deep in a creative flow, the last thing you want is a spinning wheel or a thermal throttle process. This machine is built to stay out of your way so that your best work can happen. As we reach the conclusion of this analysis, reflect on where your current machine is failing you. Is it the export times? Is it the battery anxiety? Is it the inability to run multiple high-demand applications simultaneously? The MacBook Neo 2 is designed to eliminate these specific stressors. It is the evolution of the laptop as a primary productivity tool. Whether you are a full-time filmmaker, a professional developer, or a power user who simply demands the best, this device is set to become the benchmark for the next half-decade. Stay tuned for the final leak analysis on our next upload, as we uncover the pricing tiers and the exact release timeline. This is not just a hardware update. It is the next chapter for your creative professional journey.